गली में पकड़ेंगे। Landing of person who can lead to potential law and order problem.
But it is said that, in fact, the Airport Authority of India has not agreed. Is it something like that?
No.
So ultimately, he is not lying.
As far as information as of now is concerned, they, even Agartala Airport, they have rescinded permission for him to fly out of Agartala to Umroi. But he may fly to Guwahati. And then whether he takes road route, we cannot comment on that.
But you are the SP of Midway, so will you ensure that we don't enter Meghalaya? Because I spoke to CS, Chief Secretary, yesterday, and he said that government will ensure that he doesn't.
Yes, that is why we are here for, to ensure that law and order prevails and no such person who vitiates the environment is allowed.
I heard you telling the NGO leaders that if he by chance lands, then you will ensure that he don't enter, means he don't come out.
See, airport doesn't belong to the state government. There are separate rules within the airport, but outside the airport belongs to state government. So in that scenario, even if it were to happen, so we will ensure that the person is not allowed to come out of the airport. Thank you. Because airport people also, they have explicitly said that we will not fly to Meghalaya. But from Agartala, we may fly back. There is a possibility that he will come here. He cannot come on the airport because his permission to land here has been denied. It is confirmed. His location presently is in Agartala. From this our understanding is since he has not been, though we are also getting passenger manifest. Any passenger, for example, his chartered flight is not coming, what if he comes by a normal flight? So we have also written to airport authorities, they are giving us passenger manifest. Even if he comes by normal flight, we will not allow. So we need your cooperation. It shouldn't be. Yeah, we are not. We are checking. Always keep eyes on police. He can, if you want to stay here, you can. Let us, because even we are also not fully, like it is confirmed that he cannot land here. That much I can assure you. But what is his plan? We don't.
Is there a possibility that he might come tomorrow?
Yes, 100%. But that is why for airport, our this thing, we are taking passenger manifest till 2nd of October. So because even we don't know. Even we don't want him here. See, it is puja time. We don't want any trouble. Even Central Puja Committee also, they have explicitly come out. So we can assure you that he cannot land here. But can I take risk of assuring that can he not come by road? See, not to me, no. It's very interesting. All each and every passenger, they have to tell us more. I am sure that for you also. So even our try is, we don't want anybody to vitiate our state.
So to sum up, it means that the government will have, even if this relation plan here, he won't be able to leave.
No. Our administration as well as government is very clear. No such thing will be. It is for his own safety.
Yeah, that's all. On behalf of the FPHP, by any means, we will not allow any group to come and land in a state with the concept of or the motive to endorse the ideology which is against the sentiments of our people. So, as of now, that we have got the information that has been from our side, we will be vigilant that anytime they try to come to our state, we will go ahead by protesting.
Well, KSU is going to Barnihat. Are you also planning to go to Barnihat?
Actually, since morning itself, from the FPHP, we have the part two groups. One group lead by me here in Port, and another group in Barnihat meeting here. Supposedly, try to attempt coming by road.
How do you see the response of the Meghalaya government in the entire episode?
You see, actually, it is very unpleasant for all the citizens of our state, since the government have shared the responsibility to the district administration. Actually, the government has come very clean regarding this subject, trying by some groups, religious groups, by trying to induce the ideology like in their belief, mother, cow is their mother. So the government should also know the sentiments of our people, because why? Since our ancestor eating beef is our, is our habituate. So it is our birthright only by eating beef. So nobody else can come here to stop us from our eating or our culture or our belief. That is the thing. So that we also. We will not, create any panic also to the public, because if the government does not come clear with their stand, we as a pressure group we have to make sure that these kind of groups they does not come to our state or land to our state by creating a communal defense